This is Alex, the Woodworking Dude. I'm glad to see you back. About to do an update on the kitchen. Well, I haven't been here for a while because a lot of work is being done to the house too. So the customer doesn't want the covers to be compromised, meaning damaged, by the guys that are doing the ceiling. So I will take you to that now. So I'm here in the house. As you can see in the background there, tiles still have to be put down on the floor. So the guy is clearing out that section right now. So this is the progress so far in the kitchen. You have this piece here. This is for the corner. You're starting off with some drawers. Then you have the piece for the garbage. You have a sink here. This is what we call a burn sink. One of those sinks that actually sit on top of the cupboard. Well, you all guys could get an idea what I'm talking about. This is the dishwasher. The door is on the dishwasher. Then you have some drawers, a corner unit, then a tall unit, and some damage happened to the fridge already. To deal with that's from the shippers. So if you look back, you can see the kitchen layout properly. You're starting off with the oven, then the microwave, then you have the fridge, you have a pantry. In the middle is the island unit. Then in this section here will be another pantry, then some drawers, then a couple shelves for storage, for decorative storage. So in another week or two I will give you an update on what's going on. I have all those doors to install, the covers to bring together, but you can get an idea of what we're looking to achieve. So guys, tell me what you think. Are you enjoying the video so far? Let me know. It's just a short video, just a little update on what's going on this kitchen. I know you all guys probably was in limbo for a while, but it takes time for me to produce, as this is real jobs I'm on, and it takes a little time before you can finish. And working and recording somehow takes up a lot of time. Explaining everything to a T. But I'm trying to get the information up to you. I'm trying to update you as much as possible. So guys, if you enjoy the content, please clap a like, subscribe, share this out to your friends. Give me the momentum that I need. Give me the encouragement that I need to keep on bringing this content to you. And you all guys might be wondering why here is not painted, because this is where a piece of concrete is supposed to go on to here. So it's best not to paint that part, so you get better adhesion for the concrete to be sticking on vertical. There's still a lot of dates that have to be done with this kitchen. This is a little storage area here, and the next side is for this side is for the wine cooler. So comment below, tell me how you think it's coming. The customer enjoys everything so far. According to drawing, this is exactly what he wanted. Cover is going right to the ceiling. So this is another video for y'all guys. Alex, Woodworking Dude. Hope to see you all in the future. Out.